Today we are going to talk about how to get bigger breasts without surgery. We have classified it into 4 parts. Today we are going to discuss on 2 parts and rest of the part link is given description. There's no shame in admitting that you want bigger breasts. Although it can be tricky to get bigger breasts without surgery, help is on the way. If you want to have bigger breasts, you can do some breast exercises, try some medical devices, or even work to make your breasts look bigger, if you want to know how to get bigger breasts without surgery. Part 1: Adjusting your diet. Eat foods that contain phytoestrogen. Phytoestrogen comes in handy when your estrogen levels are low, when phytoestrogen takes over and helps increase your breast size. Studies have shown that phytoestrogen tablets have increased the size of the breast tissue in premenopausal women, and lots of delicious foods contain it, so there's no harm in adding them to your diet. Here are some foods that are rich in phytoestrogen. Nuts such as pistachios, walnuts, cashews, and chestnuts. Beverages such as red wine, white wine, black tea, and green tea. Fruits such as peaches, strawberries, and raspberries. Flax seeds. Green beans and winter squash. Eat more foods that contain estrogen. Estrogen is a female hormone that is responsible for increasing the size of your breasts, among other things. Though your body will naturally produce estrogen throughout your life, there's no harm in focusing on eating more foods that contain estrogen to help your breasts get a bit bigger. Here are some foods that are known to be rich in estrogen. Lentils and chickpeas. Lima and kidney beans. Dairy products, such as cheese and yogurt. Fugaric seeds. Spices such as sage, clover, and oregano. Fruits such as apples, cherries, and plums. Vegetables such as beets, carrots, and cucumbers. Grains such as rice, barley, and wheat. Gain some weight. That's right. If you really want to naturally get bigger breasts, then all you have to do is gain a few pounds. Your breasts will fill out along with your stomach, thighs, and other parts of your body that tend to gain weight more easily than the rest. You may not want to gain weight in order to get bigger breasts, but it's the most foolproof way to do it. To gain weight, just increase your caloric intake, focus on fattier foods like cheeses and sugary foods like cookies. Or just eat more of the food you love so you don't feel like you're actively trying to be unhealthy. This is a good move if you're on the thin side and could stand to gain a few pounds anyway. Obviously, though, this may not be the world's most appealing solution. Avoid taking estrogen pills or estrogen supplements to increase breast size. While eating foods that contain estrogen and phytoestrogen in moderation may increase your breast size, you should not take estrogen pills simply for this reason. If you do think you have a need for these pills that goes beyond needing bigger breasts, then talk to your doctor, but don't go take these pills on your own. Unfortunately, the same medication that increases breast size has been linked to breast cancer, blood clots, and other ailments that are definitely not worth increasing the size of your breasts. 1. Some studies argue that there is no proof that estrogen or phytoestrogen increases breast size at all. Part 2: Doing exercises. Do push-ups. Push-ups are not only great exercise for your triceps, but they can also strengthen the pectoral muscles that are located below the breasts. Doing too many push-ups at once can strain your arms, so start by doing just 2 or 3 sets of 10 push-ups in one day, if you're already physically strong. If push-ups are new to you, start with 2 sets of 5 and work your way up. As you become a push-up pro, you can push yourself to do even more each day. Here's how to do a push-up. Sad smiley 2. Start with your stomach on the floor and your hands directly below your shoulders. Slowly push your body upwards into the plank position by pushing against the ground until your arms straighten as you rise onto your toes. Lower down to the ground without letting your stomach touch the floor and lift yourself up again. If this proves too challenging, start off by doing push-ups while keeping your knees and lower legs on the floor. This is still a great workout for your pecs. Lift dumbbells. Go to a gym and work with a trusted spotter if you're new to this process. This is another great exercise that can help strengthen your pectoral muscles. All you have to do is find some dumbbells that are heavy enough to have an impact but not so heavy that they cause strain, somewhere around 7 to 12 pounds, and raise them in the air. You can also just do this exercise at home without a workout bench. Here's how to do it. Hold the dumbbells in both your hands with your hands resting on your thighs. Your palms should be facing downward. Lift the dumbbells in the air while keeping your hands straight, with your arms slightly bent. Once the dumbbells are raised above your head, gently lower them to your sides and repeat. You can think of this maneuver as mimicking the movements of a push-up while being on your back. Do the fly lift. To do this, lie flat on your back, with your arms out at either side, holding light weights, ranging from 4 to 6 lbs. The weights should be held sideways, so the top of the weight faces you and the bottom faces away from you. Simply move your arms all the way outward, so your body is in the shape of a cross. When your arms reach their maximum span, just move them back inward, so they meet right above your chest. Keep moving your arms all the way out and then back inward to meet up above your chest. 3. Do 2 sets of 15 fly lifts for your first effort. You can do more once you're comfortable with this move. Do the wall press. This is another version of the push-up and also works your upper arms and pectoral muscles. Stand about 2 feet away from a wall with your palms pressed against the wall and your arms straight. Then, lean in toward the wall until your elbows are bent, while keeping your legs pretty much where they were. Use your arms and biceps to straighten out again. You can think of this as doing a push-up against the wall. 4. Repeat 10 wall presses 2 times for your first ED. Do crunches. These exercises will trim some belly fat, and strengthen your AB muscles. Lay down with your arms to your sides and your knees bent. With your feet and arms still on the ground, sit up. Then, lay back down with your legs and arms in the same position. Repeat 10 times for your first set. You do not want to overdo it, so about 1 or 2 sets a day is ideal.